All right. If you haven't seen the first video on the Jellybean model, watch that one first. Here's where we're just going to be doing some practicing of these math problems using the Jellybean model. So here we go. If you remember, we've got 5 times 4. And here, if you remember the second number, the 4, represents how many friends we have. And the top number, the first number, represents how many jelly beans each one of your friends is going to give you. Okay, so you have 4 friends and they each give you 5 jelly beans. So draw this out on your own and let's see what you come out with. Pause this video. All right, we're back. So let's compare what you drew to what we have. So here we've got the 4 friends, and then there is 5. They're each giving us 5 jelly beans. So we're going to go ahead. Is this what you draw out? So basically right now, the question we got to ask ourselves is how many jelly beans do we have in all? So we'll start counting. And since there's just 5 in each one, we can count by 5s. We can go 5, 10, 15, and 20. So there's 20 jelly beans. 5 times 4 is 20. All right, let's look at the next one. So draw this one out on your own. Pause the video. All right, welcome back. All right, so let's see here. Here we have 3 friends, and they are each giving us 2 jelly beans, okay? So is this what you got? Compare your answers. So we've got the 3 circles, which each represents a friend. And since this is multiplication, we're asking how many jelly beans we have all together now after our friends have given us the jelly beans. So the answer is 6. All right, so here we go. If we have 3 friends and they each give us 0 jelly beans, how many do we have? So draw this one out. Pause the video. All right, welcome back. Now that you're back, let's go ahead and check and see what you got. So basically, this is what we should have gotten. We have 3 friends, so we drew 3 circles. And each one of the friends is giving us 0 jelly beans. So how many jelly beans do we have in all? Obviously, we've got 0 because they didn't give any jelly beans to us. They didn't have any jelly beans to give us. So 0 times 3 is 0. All right, let's look at the next one. Okay, so draw this one out on your own. 3 times 4. Pause the video. Okay, welcome back. All right, let's see what we've got. So here we've got 4 friends, and each one of them is giving us 3 jelly beans. So is this what you got? Again, since we've got 4 friends, we drew 4 circles. And then since this is multiplication, each friend is giving me 3 jelly beans. So I put 3 marks in each circle. And again, since it's multiplication, the question is, how many jelly beans do I have now that they have given them to me? And the answer is 12 because we add up all the tally marks. All right, now we're looking at division, which is a little different, okay? So remember, the second number, just like in multiplication, is the number of friends. So we've got 3 friends, and then the first number represents how many jelly beans we are going to give to our friends. So go ahead and see if you can draw this one out from what you can remember from that video. Pause the video. All right, welcome back. All right, so here what we've got is we have 24 jelly beans that we are going to give to our 3 friends. So what you should have drawn out are, again, since we have 3 friends, we've got 3 blue circles. And then we started passing out the 24 jelly beans one at a time until we had passed them all out. And the question we're asking here now, because it's division, is we're not asking how many we have all together because we've given away the jelly beans. What we want to know is how many jelly beans does each one of our friends have? And not all our friends together, just each friend. So the first friend has 8, the second friend has 8, the third friend has 8. So the answer is 8. Each friend has 8 jelly beans. All right, let's look at the next one. Here we've got 0 divided by 4. So what this means is you have 0 jelly beans that you're going to give to your 4 friends. So go ahead and draw this one out. Okay, pause the video. All right, welcome back. Let's see what you got. So at this point right now, you should have drawn 4 circles since we have 4 friends. And now the question we want to ask is how many jelly beans does each friend have? And the answer is 0. Since we didn't pass out any jelly beans, none of our friends have any jelly beans, so that's the answer. All right, next one, 4 divided by 0. So this means you have 4 jelly beans and you're going to pass them out to 0 friends. So how many jelly beans does each friend have? Think about that. This doesn't make sense. Remember how you cannot divide by 0? This is why. If you don't have any friends, then you can't ask how many jelly beans each friend has. It doesn't make sense. That's why you cannot divide by 0. All right, so go ahead, practice these using this method with more multiplication division problems each day, and stay strong.